Hi everyone, welcome you all to our JavaScript series. In today's video, we'll learn about variables in JavaScript. Imagine you have a box that can hold different things. In JavaScript, variables are like those boxes that allows you to store and manipulate data. Let's say you want to store a player name. In that case, first you need the box where you will be storing the data. Then you need to label the box with a meaningful name. After that, you can take the data, in our case it is Virat, and put it into the box. To do the same thing programmatically, first we need to write let player name. It will take the box and label it for us. Then in second step, you can write player name equals to Virat. It will take the value Virat and put it into the box. Like that, you can store any value you want. Here, the first line called declaration of a variable, and second line is assigning value to a variable. You can also write the same in one line. Now, if you want to change the variable value from Virat to Virat Kohli, you can also reassign the new value like this. In this example, let is the keyword to declare variables. Player name is our variable name, and Virat is the value for that variable. Instead of let, we can also use var or const for declare the variable. Now the difference between them we will learn more about in our future videos. As of now, just keep in mind we mostly use let and const for writing code. With the help of let, you can reassign new value. But with const, you cannot reassign. Means you cannot change to Virat Kohli from Virat. Let's discuss about the rules for variable naming. Variable name must start with either a letter or underscore or a dollar sign. Variable name cannot start with numbers. Variable names are case sensitive. Means in this example, both names are different. You cannot use keywords like new, break, for the variable name. Here are few examples of keywords in JavaScript. Variable name cannot contain space or any special character in it, but we can use underscore and dollar sign for variable name. Best way to write variables in JavaScript are either using underscore or using camel case naming convention. Well, that is it in today's video. If you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe.